Hello and welcome to Learn with Indrjeet. This is another video in the series of videos titled Code Like a Pro in Visual Studio 2022. In this series, we have covered navigation and scrolling shortcuts, code selection shortcuts, and multi-cursor shortcuts. If you haven't watched those videos, please go ahead and watch them. In this video, we'll be covering editing and deleting shortcuts. So we'll be looking at inserting line before and after the line, deleting words, duplicate a line, moving lines up or down in the code, deleting a line to shift it to the clipboard, and using the clipboard to effectively see the cut and copied text. So let's go to the Visual Studio and start by uh, inserting lines above and below. So normally if we want to insert a line above line 35, that is there, we just go to the end of line 34 and press enter. Similarly, to insert a line below line 35, we click at the end of the line 35 and press enter. But let me show you one shortcut. If we are in the middle, if we are anywhere in the line number 35 and we press Control Enter, a line is inserted just above. Once again, we are in line number 35, press Control Enter, line is inserted above this line, and if we press Shift Enter, a line is inserted below this line. Once again, see, Shift Enter, right? Next is deleting words. Okay, so let me tell you the normal behavior of delete key is deleting on the right, character by character, like that. And the normal behavior of backspace key is deleting towards the left, character by character, like so. Okay, so control changes this behavior to from character wise to word wise. So if we press control and delete, it deletes words. Once again, see, control plus delete deletes the words on the right. Same way, control plus backspace deletes words towards the left, right? Next is duplicating a line. So to duplicate a line, the shortcut is Control D. See, the line is duplicated, right? To move a line up or down in the code, just press Alt and up key to move it up and down key to move it down. Alt plus up, Alt plus down, right? Undo. Yeah. Next is deleting the whole line. So there are two shortcuts. One is Shift plus delete. So it removes the line from the code and moves it to the clipboard. And the other shortcut is Control plus L. Same action and same effect. And to see what do we have on the clipboard, just press Control Shift and V. So the clipboard is here and we can select any of the lines that we cut. This is the history of cut and paste, cut and copy, right? So for example, there is this line and Control Shift V, and then there is this line where message, right? So In this video, we covered inserting a line before a line, Control and Enter, inserting line after the line, Shift and Enter, deleting words to the right, Control Delete, deleting words to the left, Control plus backspace, duplicating a line, Control plus D, moving lines up or down, Alt plus up or down arrow key, deleting a line using Shift Delete or Control plus L, and to see the clipboard, Control Shift plus V. So if you like the content of this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please tell me in the comments which shortcut learned today do you like the most. Thank you for your time. Keep learning.